So this sweet saltfish choker and sweet potato casserole is something that we tasted at the launch a couple of weeks ago. And I just decided to do it a little differently. So this is where we're going to just try to reinvent one of Sylvia Hunt's original recipes. Boiled sweet potatoes and mash. Refrigerating it kind of makes it kind of pull together and a lot more easier to handle. Fire on, I have some oil. I want to just do a nice small heap of my saltfish bourgeois. Drop another bit on top just to make it a little easier. Yeah? I'll do a couple more and then we'll get breading and frying. So now it's into the breading mixture. First, flour. Then in the egg mixture, in the breadcrumbs that are one ready to go in the fire. Gotta make sure your oil is nice and hot. Slotted spoon until it gets nice and toasty, golden brown. We just created a nice little, I would just put it a little dollop at the side.
Very delicious. I think you did a good job.
I did a good job.